Welcome home, train. Eminem has a plan work at all in the dining room chair and table was in that here are looking up to view. Why is it so? Hello there you, Eminem replied. I hope try to go home at 10 o'clock. Eminem drives me as slow and normal and he puffed away. At the outside was each other in front of me is looking front and rear garden. Eminem working a double solid job. Inside the car was a seatbelt and drivers. Room train at the railway level crossing. Largest scale train passing by on a railroad crossing. Now if every turn on your music, crossing signal car drives away to go home. The change his language to Japanese, way all speed, 52 miles per hour. We have 18 hours and 19 minutes or 3 minutes, 53 miles an hour on a regular on a traffic truck haulers. Eminem wants to play a ride to going house with room train. I will never be side until braking, said Eminem, kind of here as independence from my own inside the car. Eminem drives away walk to go home. Later, the room train was inside the room, Vanguard Street estate map of the house prices. Then, Mama hood on key door was open, unlocked the room train. We are 17 shells are on the room train. Stafford was looked up at now is free and look up to. Stafford looked up to box with eBay, and he had but without scissor. And now opening up to wrap this new engine arrived, unboxing room train. Name was opening. Unboxing room train smudger was a show-off and derailment each other. He laughing sound like later decide. He turned him into a generator. Smudger front view. On a right side with nameplate. On a back of the side. On a left view on a side of him. This is Smudger. Smudger has a working allergy test on a dark cover and tall mine, but he was already omitted to busy working mighty ceremonial operations quality every week earlier. The next morning, Smudger has a little engine that tomorrow the next story this episode, Smudger has arrived. This is only appearance, was laughing sound funny here, snarled Smudger. Smudger is only appearance this season 4, episode 1.